recording this because first two attempts someone interrupted me on the phone and I had to explain I'm recording for the YouTubes. So attempt number 3 of Plants vs. Zombies. You only are going to see attempt number 3. But trust me, there's 3 attempts and I deleted the first 2 because he randomly interrupted me. Can you see that? Yes, you can. Boop. Now I have a method for this game. Oops, my phone's falling. Oops, my phone's falling again. Oops, my phone's falling. Mega. You know, I will put Legend of Zelda in there. I took out Legend of Zelda because I didn't know how I was going to record. Nah, I won't. Let me know if you guys really want to see Legend of Zelda Phantom Hourglass. I was like almost done with this first stage, and then he called me. Only 2 zombies for the final wave? Weak. Give me the plant. Don't really need to do much. I just need to make sure my phone stays up in case I tap. Next level. You put sunflowers down and they produce sun. Now my method is I put 1 on every row. Oops, my DS dropping. Oh. We're ready to put the first pea shooter down. I actually do need to hold this because it's difficult. I'll wait till the next zombie comes. No. My least favorite zombies are the dad. Okay, now I can put the pea shooter down. And the goat head and the bucket head because they're my least favorite. It's good. Oops, my phone's falling. Hold up, I'll fix that in 1 minute. I'm gonna fix it now. He didn't miss much. Trying to wave the zombie with the brain flag. Everyone's getting shot. Twice. I'm gonna put 3. In this row. And they're slowly dying. I think I'll do 1 more level and then save and quit. We got cherry bombs. Cherry bombs. Oh, great. Cone heads. I think we get the full on. Nope. Put the flower down. Give us a couple minutes to prepare. Put the flower down. Put the 3rd flower down. Fuck, zombies coming and they're coming fast. Go. Shoot him to death. Now I'm going to save up. Unless we get 200, I'm not going to place another pea shooter until we get the cone head. Okay, we got 200, so we'll place a new pea shooter, but I'm not going to place one. We got a cone head on that row. Oh. It's just best to have 2 pea shooters for cone heads. Shit, I guess fall. See? Now they're dead. Now place the third one so it's faster. Final wave. We better kill them fast. There's a cone head. Shit. All this. We got a potato. Okay. I think with the time we have, I'm going to do one more video. Not one more video, but one more round. I know I did that last time, but I mean it. This is where we get the full on. That to be a plant. There's a potato there. Then we can get pea shooter. By the time we get pea shooter here, there's gonna be probably another row. And one of the zombies just spawned. We don't have enough for potato. What? Pizza. Oh, hold on. Last flower and last row. You can't last row, but there. And now we need pea shooter on the last row. And the second row. Fuck. Put a potato there. Luckily, it's fast to get pea shooters. You can barely see his head. It's just fucking hilarious. Conehead gave me the ability to get pea shooter. Put potato there. Why aren't you shooting him faster? That potato's almost dead. Oh, yeah, that pea shooter. Right here, third row. I think potatoes are definitely going to be that. Oh, I put it in the wrong row. Oh well. We have 2 more areas. We need 2 dough pea shooters. Don't fall while I'm scratching my arm. So put a pea shooter here. Oh, I put the pea shooter in the right place. Nice. Nice. Need one more. Put pea shooter in the last spot. Put the potato there instead. We don't have the shovel yet. Oh, wow. He got through the potato. We need the potato to fill up faster. There's only one conehead on that row without the potato. Up, and they killed the other potato. You know what? Place you here. Shovel. And I think that's where I want to end this episode. So I'm gonna see y'all later. Bye.